Hi kids! Liam is going to teach you a very cool way to connect with nature and a very cool way to move through nature in a way that you don't scare the animals. So that way you get to see more birds and more butterflies and just more things whenever you go out to hike. So Liam is going to teach you about fox walking. Tell us about it, buddy.
So, when you normally walk, you go like this. When you fox walk, you put your toes on the ground first, then the rest of your foot, instead of your heel, then the rest of your foot.
Yeah.
Like this.
And you try to walk so that it's really super quiet, right?
Yeah.
And if you walk in a way that's really super quiet, then it doesn't scare away the animals.
You also could fox walk putting your heel down first. But it would be like this, which is a lot slower, but it's a little bit easier to do.
Nice, Liam. All right, buddy. Bye-bye,
Now,
kid. Oh, you have something else to say, bud?
It's easiest to fox walk on sand because it doesn't make much noise when you step on it anyway.
Ah. Is it okay to fox walk barefoot?
Yes.
Yeah? But if it's really muddy or there's sharp rocks or sticks, you might want to wear your shoes.
Yeah.
Today it's pretty muddy. All right, you guys. Bye-bye. Liam, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, kids.